Hello, my name is Sveta Schrader and my topic is on black holes. A black hole is simply an object that has been compressed to a point where its concentration of mass is so high that the escape speed from its surface is greater than the speed of light. It's a black hole because nothing can escape from an object whose escape speed exceeds light. Nothing, not even light. So black holes, by definition, are black. No light can escape from them. Here's an orange, and let's just pretend that maybe it's the Earth, and that we've compressed it smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and finally its escape speed has exceeded the speed of light. Now there is a tiny mass inside called singularity. The darker gray area represents a region where the escape speed is greater than light. Outside that region, the escape speed is less than light. Now there is a special region in space called event horizon, where once you cross it, you're inside that black hole, and there's no way you can escape from that region. Now I will explain to you how we know that black holes exist using Richard Wolfson's example. So let's imagine we have here two stars going around each other like this. Now, what if one of these stars undergoes a supernova explosion? Say, this big one. It blows up and it collapses to form a very dense core. And what if these two stars were very close together? What can happen is that the matter from the remaining normal star can start floating through the space towards the black hole. Typically, it will form a disk of material spiraling around the black hole, and that material will rub off against itself, and in result it will heat up, emitting lots of energy typically in the form of X-rays. Today, we can observe the different parts of the system spectroscopically. Thank you.